So you want to connect your Namecheap domain to your hosting or hosting. Well, you're in luck because I'm here to guide you through the entire process step by step. If you're ready, let's get started. Go to hostinger.com, click on the login button. Log into your Hostinger account, navigate to the hosting tab. Next to your hosting package, click on the three dots. Select Add Website, select Other, click on Skip, create an empty website. Click Select. Enter your GoDaddy domain name, click Continue, click on Continue, click Connect, click Let's Start. Now visit Namecheap.com, click on the Sign In button, sign in to your Namecheap account, click on Domain List in your dashboard, click Manage DNS, scroll down to Name Servers, click on the drop-down menu, select Custom DNS, enter the following name servers and click Save. You'll find these name servers in the video description. Return to Hostinger and click Continue. Click Finish. Be patient, as this process may take some time. It can take up to 24 hours to work correctly. You can check this by entering your domain name into a web browser and seeing if it redirects to your website. Congratulations! Your Namecheap domain is now successfully connected to your Hostinger hosting. Feel free to contact me if you encounter any issues during the process. Please comment below with your opinion, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials to boost your online knowledge. If you need any help related to the website, you can hire a professional now. The link is in the description below this video.